In a world where happiness often feels linked to external achievements, many find themselves trapped in sadness. This sadness can be because of stress, anxiety, or depression. Are you feeling fearful? Are you overwhelmed by the pressure of life? Do you seek happiness in things, status, or others only to find it fleeting? Yes, this is what we do. But we forget happiness lies within. We are not just puppet. We are living beings. We have impacts in our life because of so many things. But this is up to us how we can keep ourselves without impacted by the events in our life. So in our next part, we will talk more about it. And one more thing, we know there are mistakes in our slides, but this is all about life. There are a lot of things we want to correct, but first thing is we need to be aware about it. Let's be aware.